In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit for coding and building software. We'll start by drafting a helpful prompt to guide the build. Open Google Gemini in your browser and head into a new chat. In the message box, ask it to help you create a clear prompt for generating starter code for a simple web app on Replit. For example, you might describe the features you want and the tech you prefer. Keep it specific but short so the assistant knows exactly what to scaffold. When you're happy with the wording, copy the prompt to your clipboard. Now go to replit.com. On the home page, use the template picker or search bar and look for the web app template. Select the web app option, then choose. Start to create your project. This spins up a workspace with a file tree on the left, an editor in the middle, and a preview or console on the right. Inside the workspace, open the built-in AI or agent chat. This is where you can paste the prompt you prepared, ask for code, and debug issues as you go. Paste your prompt, send it, and let the agent generate or refine the scaffold. You can accept changes, ask for edits, or request explanations of any file it creates. If you get an error, paste the error message back into the chat and ask for a fix. Next, open the plan view. This area helps you outline tasks, track what's done, and decide what to build next. Add any to-dos the agent suggests, like setting up routes, styling pages, or writing tests, so you can work methodically. Follow the make, test, iterate rhythm. Make a small change, run the app to test it in the preview, and then iterate based on what you see. Small cycles keep things fast and help you catch issues early without getting overwhelmed. When you're ready to share, click Publish. Give your project a clear title and a short description so others understand what it does. Choose the appropriate visibility for your needs, then confirm to publish. Replit will build and deploy your app, and you'll get a link you can share. If you make updates, return to the workspace, iterate again, and publish once more to push the latest version live. That's it. You drafted a prompt, generated code with the agent, planned your work, iterated quickly, and